Navi Coffee. I'm James.
Kenny.
And I'm Daniel. And we're here at the Navi headquarters, James's home in Bama, where we're lucky enough to be quarantined together. His parents aren't too happy.
We have created NaviPorts. Each port creates your favorite coffee drinks, taking beans to coffee and adding in syrups and other add-ons completely automatically.
We've seen several problems in the coffee industry that we want to solve with automation. Now we'll cut up close with James to explain some of the problems that we want to solve.
James from the living room. First, let's look at problems to the consumer. First, the wait time for a cup of coffee is too long. The average wait time is 3 minutes, and during peak hours, this can rise to 10 minutes or more. Second, the average price for a cup of coffee is too high. Right now, it's $2.99, and for a specialty cup of coffee, it can be $5 or more. Why are these an issue? It's because cafes depend too much on the barista and the location. These account for 66% of the cost of a cup of coffee. The coffee industry is a $48 billion industry. Just the mobile orders of this industry make up $12 billion, a market that's growing at 5% per year. So, how can we capture a portion of this market?
Hello, it's Daniel from the garage, and this is our NaviPort. It's our automated barista that makes coffee from bean to cup. We want to prioritize quality and efficiency, so it can make a cup of coffee in as little as 23 seconds. It takes the average barista around 90 seconds because there's a line and they have to deal with all the orders that they have to take. So we're able to shorten the wait times and lines. We're able to give you an affordable cup of coffee because we eliminated the overhead, and it's premium quality taste. So what does that experience look like? Well, someone on their way to work can open the Navi app and in as little as 3 swipes, place an order. So if I want a latte, I just swipe up and then I'm able to customize. I wanted some syrup, so I added it in and then swipe up and I'm able to check out. I get a unique QR code that I would walk up to the Navi port, place under it, and it would start making my cup of coffee. But for this demonstration purposes, the scanner's outside, and so if I scan it, it'll start making my cup of coffee immediately. Our Navi app is going to be the way we talk through our customers to do rewards that lets us communicate with them, giving them a better experience. So, a cup of coffee is being made now. So, while the cup of coffee is being made, how does Navi quality compare to a barista? Well, our NaviPort is able to calibrate itself to any recipe, like a highly trained barista would with state-of-the-art equipment. This kind of leaves any average trained barista in the dust because they can't keep up. So, how does this cup of coffee taste? Well, let's take a sip. And that's premium quality right there.
Can you hear from the other side of the living room? So where do we plan to implement these machines? We are looking at 2 primary different customer segments. First would be the private. We'll be speaking with building owners who are either looking to attract potential tenants or large financial companies who are looking to provide their employees with premium quality coffee while increasing productivity by decreasing the amount of time that their employees might waste on a coffee run to a nearby cafe. Second would be the public sector. We'll be looking for customers who want a personalized premium coffee with an emphasis on convenience and affordability. We'll be looking to place these into busy malls, airports, subway stations, and street corners. Here we have the assumptions that were used to create a financial projection to test the feasibility of our business model. We are assuming we'll be fortunate enough to raise the funds for 20 fully functioning NaviPorts, since high accessibility would help urge consumers to download our app. A typical cafe would sell from 200 to 300 cups of coffee a day, and a busy Starbucks would sell upwards of 500 cups. We were more conservative and projected only 225 cups a day per machine. Now, of course, this is still up in the air, but if we charge $2 on average, we will end up with sales of $3.2 million and net income of $881,000.
Welcome back to the Navi headquarters kitchen table. We have James.
Since we started this 6 months ago, we've self-funded $40,000 to fund our prototype, our app, and our website.
And today we're looking to raise $950,000 towards our final design of the outer shell, 20 NaviPorts, and the final app. We will do these in 4 rolling close rounds, with the first round at $275,000 and the remainder of the rounds at $225,000. Each round we will pledge 5 of our NaviPorts.
We've already started the conversation with different companies and various business owners to gauge interest in our NaviPorts. We look to roll out into Charlotte this year.
Thank you for joining us today from
Navi Coffee.